5 minus 2 which equals to 3. Here 4 minus 3 which equals 1. Then 3 times 1 which equals to 3. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition and subtraction. Addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one subtraction here, one multiplication here, and there is a parenthesis. That is the parenthesis here is subtraction. According to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, therefore 4 minus 3 which equals 1. Then 5 minus 2 times 1. Okay, so here there is one subtraction and one multiplication. Therefore multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction according to Pemdas. Therefore we have to multiply this number 2 times 1 which equals 2. Then 5 minus 2 is just, it is 3. Therefore this is the final answer of this problem. Okay, the final answer of this problem is equals to 3.